We're making a cozy homemade chicken noodle soup. Perfect for a chilly day in winter. Let's make it. Start by adding 200 grams of chicken to the pot, followed by 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 cloves, 4 black peppers, 1 bay leaf, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 3 clove garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1/4 of onion and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Add 7 cups of water. Bring it to boil. Cover and cook for 30 minutes. After that, remove the chicken and strain the chicken broth. Set aside for later use. Remove the bones from the boiled chicken. Now break it down into smaller chunks. Set aside for later use. Take 1 cup of broccoli, cut into small bite-sized pieces. Pour boiling water on it. Keep it dipped in for 10 minutes. After that, take out and transfer it to the cold water bowl. Keep it there for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take it out and set aside for later use. This way, broccoli preserves its beautiful green color. In a pan, add around 6 cups of water. Bring it to boil and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add the instant egg noodles around 2 cups. Cook according to package instructions, or until it reaches desired tenderness. Strain it. Transfer it to the plate and sprinkle some oil drops. Toss it and set aside. We have already prepared vegetables. 1 cup of zucchini, 1/4 cup of finely cut carrots, 1/2 cup of finely cut cabbage, 1 tablespoon each of chopped ginger and garlic, 1 cup of spring onions, and 1/2 cup of the blanched broccoli, save for florets and green part of spring onions for garnish. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil to the saucepan. Add ginger and garlic. Sauté for 5 minutes on low heat. Cook until soft and fragrant. Now add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Cook on low heat for 1 minute. Now add onions, carrots, zucchini, and cabbage. Cook on medium heat for 2 minutes. Now add broccoli, the chicken, and the chicken broth. Bring it to boil and add 1 tablespoon of MSG. Mix it and add the boiled noodles. This recipe is super comforting, full of flavor, and easier than you think. Give it a good mix. When it starts boiling, it is ready to serve. Look at that golden broth, tender noodles, hearty chicken, and all those beautiful veggies. Top with green onions, broccoli, and boiled eggs. If you make this at home, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.